Sorry to hear you're having problems with your MD2. This complete control tray should solve all that. Everything was tested on all 4 cycles this morning. To remove your tray, you'll want to go ahead and detach the timer and temperature selector first. It'll be 2 3/8 nuts on top, 1 on bottom for the timer. You can leave the bottom one on, you just have to loosen it, remove the top 2, and then tilt the timer back and lift it out. The temperature selector is held in with 2 5/16 nuts. Be careful not to lose any of the spacers. There's going to be a 7/16 nut on either side of the tray down here. Those will have to be removed. And then there will be 4 T20 torque screws, one here, 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 and here to hold the tray in. I did include a bit in case you don't have one. You will also need to unplug the water valve assembly, the door lock assembly, and the drain valve from the back here. You will want to pinch this with a pair of pliers to detach it from the back side, and then just twist and pull the black rubber hose off the back of that. And then you'll have to disconnect your motor wires. I have all this labeled for you to make installation easier. The 2 purple wires go here. And I did leave the entire capacitor assembly attached on this to make installation easy, but while you're removing yours, you can just unplug it and send it back loose. I don't need it all assembled.